Bonjour, je m'appelle Nabiha. So welcome to my YouTube channel French with Nabiha. So today I'll be teaching you all adjectives in French. So this is my third video. So let's start. So here is our first adjective. Bon and bon. Don't think that they both have different meaning. First of all, I'm clearing you all that they have the same meaning, but the pronunciation is little bit different. Not much, but little bit different. So, bon means good. We use bon for masculine, means for men and for boys, which means good. We use bon for feminine, means for girls or women, which means good. Okay, so I'll say that il est bon for boy, I'm saying, and for girl, I'm saying elle est bonne. So we say like this. So we use bon for men or a boy, and we say bon for girl or a woman. So here is our second adjective, mauvais and mauvais. So mauvais and mauvais both means bad. For men and for boy we use mauvais, and for girl or a woman we say mauvais, which means bad. So here is our third adjective, beau and belle. Beau means handsome and belle means beautiful. Beau we use for boy and men. We use belle for a girl or a woman, which means beautiful. Beau means handsome and belle means beautiful. We don't use beau for we don't use beautiful for a boy or a man. We use handsome. So beau means handsome and belle means beautiful. Beau we use for boy or a man. Belle we use for a girl or a woman. So here is our fourth adjective, jolie. For both masculine and feminine, jolie is pronounced as the same. Jolie means pretty. So for a boy and for a woman or for a girl or for a man, jolie, we have the same pronunciation. There is no difference in the pronunciation. We will pronounce same, jolie, which means pretty. So here is our fifth adjective, laid and laid. Lay and laid both means ugly. We use lay for a man or a boy. We use laid for a girl or a woman, which means ugly. So now we are having our six adjectives, which means first means for a boy and for a man we use petit, and for a girl and for a woman we use petite, which means small. So petit is used for boy or a man. Petite is used for a girl or a woman, which means small. So here is the seventh adjectives. Jeune, we pronounce same for feminine and masculine. Jeune, which means young. So my next video, my part 2 for this adjective will be coming soon. Here were a few adjectives so that you will not be able to confuse yourself. So thank you. Hope you all liked my video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. French with Nabiha. Merci.